Hello, gorgeous! Ready to unlock your most flawless look yet? We're about to embark on a journey with Bebeluș Cosmetics, a brand designed to celebrate your natural beauty. Bebeluș believes that makeup is more than just colors. It's about confidence, self-expression, and embracing your unique features. Bebeluș products are crafted with love and infused with high-quality ingredients. We believe in makeup that not only enhances your outer beauty, but also nourishes your skin. From luxurious textures to long-lasting wear, Bebeluș has everything you need to create a look that turns heads and boosts your inner glow. Get ready to experience the magic of Bebeluș Cosmetics. Are you excited? We're about to dive into a simple yet stunning makeup routine that will transform your look. This tutorial will focus on creating a flawless base, mesmerizing eyes, and the perfect pout. We'll be using Bebeluș Cosmetics to achieve this look. Think luxurious textures, blendable formulas, and colors that complement every skin tone. Get ready to fall in love with these products just as much as we have. Throughout this tutorial, we'll share insider tips and tricks to help you achieve professional-level results. Don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll guide you through each step with clear and concise instructions. Remember, practice makes perfect. So grab your makeup brushes, your favorite Bebeluș Cosmetics products, and let's get started on this exciting journey to flawless beauty. Let's begin our makeup masterpiece with the eyes, the windows to our souls. We'll use Bebeluș Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, known for their rich pigments and buttery textures that blend effortlessly. Before we dive into color, we need to prime our eyelids. A primer creates a smooth canvas for the eyeshadow, preventing creasing and ensuring long-lasting wear. Bebeluș Cosmetics Eye Primer is a must-have. Using your ring finger, gently dab a small amount of primer onto your eyelids. Blend it evenly from the lash line to the brow bone. Allow the primer to set for a minute before moving on to eyeshadow. Now let's talk tools. We'll be using a fluffy blending brush for diffusing colors, a tapered blending brush for the crease, and a flat shader brush for packing on color. Bebeluș Cosmetics brush set has all the essentials. With our eyelids prepped and our tools ready, it's time to unleash our creativity with color. Bebeluș Cosmetics offers a wide range of eyeshadow palettes, each carefully curated to flatter a variety of skin tones. For this look, we'll be using the Golden Hour palette, which features warm, shimmery shades perfect for creating a radiant eye look. Start by applying a light, shimmery champagne shade all over the lid, from the lash line to the brow bone, using your flat shader brush. Next, choose a medium brown shade with a matte finish from the palette. Using your tapered blending brush, apply this shade to the crease of your eyelid, starting from the outer corner and blending inwards. This will add depth and dimension to your eyes. Now let's deepen the outer corner for a more dramatic effect. Pick a dark brown or bronze shade with a shimmer or metallic finish. Using a smaller blending brush, apply this shade to the outer corner of your eyelid, blending it slightly into the crease. Section 3. Blending like a pro's seamless transitions. Blending is the key to achieving a flawless eyeshadow look. It's all about creating smooth transitions between colors and erasing any harsh lines. Bebeluș Cosmetics eyeshadows are known for their blendability, making this step a breeze. Using your fluffy blending brush, gently blend the edges of the crease shade upwards towards the brow bone. Use circular motions and light pressure to avoid disturbing the shimmery shade on the lid. Next, blend the outer corner shade inwards towards the center of the eyelid, ensuring a seamless transition between the dark and medium brown shades. Again, use light pressure and circular motions for a flawless finish. If you've applied too much color, don't worry. Simply use a clean, fluffy brush to blend out any excess shadow. You can also use a bit of translucent powder on your blending brush to diffuse any harsh lines. And there you have it. Beautifully blended, mesmerizing eyes that will captivate everyone you meet. Section 1. Conceal and conquer, erasing imperfections. Now that our eyes are set for captivating, let's move on to creating a flawless canvas for the rest of our makeup. Bebeluș Cosmetics concealers are our secret weapons for banishing blemishes, brightening under eye circles, and evening out skin tone. Choosing the right concealer shade is crucial. Opt for a shade that's 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation for under eye areas, and a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly for blemishes and imperfections. Using the wand applicator, apply a few dots of concealer under your eyes, starting from the inner corner and extending outwards towards your temples. For blemishes, gently dab a small amount of concealer directly onto the area. Now comes the fun part, blending. We recommend using a damp makeup sponge or a small fluffy brush for seamless application. Gently blend the concealer outwards and upwards, ensuring it melts into your skin without creasing. Section 2. Foundation, your second skin. With our imperfections concealed, it's time to create a flawless base with foundation. Bebeluș Cosmetics offers a range of foundations to suit different skin types and tones, from lightweight formulas for a natural finish to full coverage options for a more polished look. Finding your perfect shade is key. Test foundation shades along your jawline in natural light to find the one that blends seamlessly with your skin tone. Don't be afraid to ask for assistance at the makeup counter. Start by applying a small amount of foundation to the center of your face, your forehead, nose, and chin. Using a foundation brush, a makeup sponge, or your fingertips, blend the foundation outwards towards your hairline and jawline. Remember, less is more. Start with a thin layer and build coverage gradually as needed. Pay extra attention to blending around the edges of your face, ensuring a seamless transition between your foundation and your natural skin tone. Seamless blending, the key to a natural finish. Blending is the most crucial step in achieving a flawless foundation application. It's all about creating a smooth, even canvas that looks natural and undetectable. Remember, we want our skin to look like skin, just enhanced. If you're using a makeup sponge, dampen it slightly before blending. This will prevent the sponge from absorbing too much product and ensure a more even application. Use gentle patting motions to blend the foundation, avoiding any dragging or pulling. For a more airbrush finish, consider using a stippling brush to blend your foundation. This type of brush has densely packed bristles that help to buff the product into the skin, creating a flawless, poreless effect. Don't forget your neck. To avoid a noticeable line of demarcation, blend a small amount of foundation down your neck, ensuring a seamless transition. Remember, we want our makeup to look natural and effortless. Setting the stage, long-lasting perfection. We've concealed, we've perfected, and now it's time to set our makeup in place for long-lasting wear. Bebeluș Cosmetics setting powder is our secret weapon for keeping shine at bay and ensuring our makeup stays flawless all day long. Choose a setting powder that complements your skin type and tone. Translucent powders are universally flattering, while tinted powders can help to even out skin tone and provide additional coverage. Using a large, fluffy powder brush, lightly dust setting powder over your entire face, focusing on areas prone to shine, such as your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. Use a light hand to avoid disturbing your foundation. For extra staying power, consider using a setting spray after applying your powder, Bebeluș Cosmetics setting spray is infused with hydrating ingredients to keep your makeup looking fresh and vibrant for hours. And there you have it. A flawless base that will have you looking and feeling your absolute best. Next, we'll be adding a pop of color and completing our look with the perfect pout. Lipstick, the finishing touch. Our journey to flawless beauty culminates with the perfect pout. Lipstick has the power to transform your look, adding a touch of color, sophistication, or playfulness. Bebeluș Cosmetics offers a luxurious range of lipsticks, from velvety mattes to high-shine glosses, designed to complement every mood and occasion. Before we delve into the world of color, let's prepare our lips for a flawless application. Just as we primed our eyelids for eyeshadow, prepping our lips ensures a smooth, even canvas for lipstick. Bebeluș Cosmetics Lip Scrub gently exfoliates, removing dry skin and leaving lips soft and supple. After exfoliating, apply a thin layer of lip balm to hydrate and condition your lips. Bebeluș Cosmetics Lip Conditioner is enriched with nourishing ingredients that leave lips feeling soft, smooth, and perfectly prepped for lipstick. Allow the lip balm to absorb for a few minutes before blotting any excess. Now let's talk lipstick. With Bebeluș Cosmetics' extensive range of shades and finishes, the possibilities are endless. Whether you prefer a classic nude, a bold red, or a playful pink, there's a perfect shade waiting to adorn your lips. Choosing your perfect shade. Selecting the right lipstick shade can enhance your natural beauty, complementing your skin tone and making your features pop. Bebeluș Cosmetics offers a diverse color palette, making it easy to find your perfect match. For fair skin tones, nude lipsticks with peachy or pink undertones create a soft, romantic look. Light pinks and corals add a touch of color without being overpowering. If you're feeling bold, a classic red with blue undertones can create a stunning contrast against fair skin. Medium skin tones have a wider range of options. Warm nudes with caramel or brown undertones complement olive complexions beautifully. Rose, berry, and mauve shades add a touch of vibrancy, while deeper reds and plums create a sultry, sophisticated look. Darker skin tones can embrace rich, pigmented shades. Deep nudes with chocolate or coffee undertones create a stunning neutral lip. Bold berries, fuchsias, and wines add a pop of color, while classic reds with orange or brown undertones enhance the natural warmth of deeper complexions. Application is key. The key to a flawless lipstick application lies in precision and technique. Bebeluș Cosmetics lipsticks are designed for effortless application, gliding on smoothly and delivering rich, even color. For a defined lip look, start by lining your lips with a lip liner that matches your chosen lipstick shade or your natural lip color. Bebeluș Cosmetics lip liners are highly pigmented, preventing feathering and bleeding, and creating a defined shape for your lipstick. Once you've lined your lips, apply your lipstick directly from the bullet, or use a lip brush for a more precise application. Start at the center of your lips and work your way outwards, staying within the lines you created with your lip liner. For a long-lasting finish, consider blotting your lips with a tissue after the first layer of lipstick. This removes any excess product and helps to set the color. Then, apply a second layer of lipstick for added intensity and staying power. And there you have it, the finishing touch to your flawless makeup look. A swipe of Bebeluș Cosmetics lipstick completes your transformation, leaving you feeling confident, radiant, and ready to conquer the day. Embrace your inner radiance. And there you have it. A flawless makeup look that enhances your natural beauty and leaves you feeling confident and radiant. Remember, makeup is a powerful tool for self-expression, allowing you to enhance your features, experiment with different looks, and embrace your unique beauty. As you've seen throughout this tutorial, achieving a flawless makeup look doesn't have to be complicated. With the right products, tools, and techniques, anyone can create a look that turns heads and boosts confidence. It's all about embracing your individuality and having fun with the process. The true magic of makeup lies not in concealing who you are, but in enhancing your natural beauty and allowing your inner radiance to shine through. Bebeluș Cosmetics is here to guide you on your journey to flawless beauty, providing you with the tools and inspiration to create a look that reflects your unique personality. Bebeluș, your partner in beauty. Bebeluș Cosmetics believes that true beauty comes from within. Our products are designed to enhance, not mask, your natural features. We believe in makeup that's good for your skin and good for your soul. Our formulas are infused with nourishing ingredients, and our packaging reflects our commitment to sustainability. We hope this tutorial has inspired you to embrace your inner beauty and experiment with different makeup looks. Remember, there are no rules in makeup, only guidelines. Don't be afraid to try new things, step outside of your comfort zone, and discover what makes you feel beautiful. Thank you for joining us on this journey to flawless beauty. We encourage you to share your own makeup looks using the hashtag #BebelușBeauty. We can't wait to see your creativity and how you embrace your unique radiance. Remember, you are beautiful just the way you are. Bebeluș Cosmetics is simply here to help you shine even brighter. Order now at bebelușcosmetics.com. Please like and subscribe.